Hi, I'm Ron. I'm with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. I am a comfort advisor here. Today's topic, I want to talk about impacts of refrigeration leaks, why you shouldn't do them, and most importantly, why they occur. So one thing with refrigeration leaks, usually they occur in your coils. One of the biggest impacts that it has on your system is it reduces efficiency by a pretty good bit, even with just the smallest amount of leakage. There are ways that you can fix that. A lot of people just add refrigerant. That seems to be the common thing. The biggest thing that it does is it increases your energy bill. It definitely shortens the life of the system. You're losing oil from the compressor in the same leak you're losing refrigerant, so you're really reducing the life of the system. It's very expensive to keep adding refrigerant on a year-to-year basis, especially with the old refrigerant, the R22. That's going to be pretty much no longer available by 2020. So having said that, with all the costs inquired into doing the repair, a lot of times it just makes more sense to replace the system.
Your comfort is just a call away.